You owe me money.
You owe me money. Oh, he's beating the crap out of him. Hell yeah! 911.
Come on, what you got? Oh, damn it, that was good. Keep on going, you got it.
Keep going, dude. Keep going, man. You know, it's funny how the show guy is actually beating the crap out of the big guy.
Hit me or something.
You John Connor. You will die here, John Connor. You will be terminated.
Yo, what's up? This is J-Rock. I'm Mr. Fun. About to do this Carl's Jr. J.
Alright. Get hit by a car.
Oh my god.
Invisible?
Yeah.
You see all of me?
He's all, I can't touch this. You have to wait until the fucker's done? Alright, man. See you next time. I need a hug from you guys. You gonna kick off?
I'll post it up later, okay?
I am Master Richie. I will teach you how to demonstrate the one-punch death blow. It's so powerful it can knock this tree in half. I will demonstrate right now. See how easy I